Thank you for joining me to learn how to retrieve your COVID-19 test results. Public Health will call you if your test is positive, but we do not call the people who test negative. In this video, I will highlight for you some available options you have to access your own test results. When you get your test results, it is up to you if you want to share your personal health information with others. Niagara Region Public Health urges everyone to be cautious about sharing any personal health information. No one has the right to see your personal health information except your health care provider or your doctor. In respect of privacy, Niagara Region Public Health will never share your test results with anyone but the person who has been tested. It is also important to remember that COVID-19 test is only simply a snapshot of your health on that specific date and time the swab was taken. No testing is perfect, and a negative result doesn't necessarily mean you have not been exposed to COVID-19. You can still develop symptoms days after your test was taken. So if your test comes back negative, but you start to develop COVID-19 symptoms, even if they're mild, you need to be retested. This is very important so we can protect the health and safety of our loved ones and our community. Now let me guide you through a few options of how you can retrieve your own test results. The first option you may wish to consider is to call your family doctor if you have one. If you have allowed the testing center to share your results with your family doctor, they are your best option because they can counsel you. They know you and your personal health the best. The other options are electronic, and they are highlighted on Niagara Region's website. As we go onto the Niagara Regional website, you will notice the novel coronavirus webpage. Along the left-hand side, under the words health and safety, there is an icon that says testing and lab results. Click on that word testing and lab results. This takes you to the page where all of these electronic options of how to get your lab results are listed. They're about midway down the page. You'll see a subheading that says how to get your lab results. Under there are 4 options. I'm going to start with the first one. The first one is the Niagara Health Assessment Centers. If you are tested at one of our Niagara Health Assessment Centers, these are our hospitals, you can call the Release of Information Office for your test results, and the number is listed right here. You may be asked to leave a message. Please know that this message is being left for Niagara Health. They are the hospital system and they are separate from public health. So the Niagara Health System will be the one returning your call. The assessment centers are the best choice for those who do not have an Ontario health card. For example, if you're an international student or perhaps you live out of province. The second option is the Provincial Portal. This system will not work if you're using Internet Explorer. You need to be using Chrome or Firefox to be able to get into this assessment center link. You will also need your Ontario health card available and ready. On the Provincial Portal site, you will see that we have a hyperlink saying COVID-19 lab test results. Click on that. They begin with listing website terms of use and the test results, acknowledgements, security, all of these different details. Read that, take the time to read that, and then you can either accept or not accept. I'm going to select accept. Now, this is where you need your health card. I will highly recommend that you take your time typing the information into this site. After 3 attempts, the system will lock you out. So take your time and type slowly and carefully. Make sure where it says patient name, you are writing your name in as it appears in your health card. At the bottom, it asks you for your postal code. Some people have issues with their postal code, but let me save you some time here. The postal code they want you to enter is the one directly linked to your health card. If you recently moved, or you are currently living at a different postal code for some reason right now than the one that you have entered to register your health card or renew your health card, you need to use the one that's linked to your health card. Now, as you go through this site, you will fill out this information and press the blue button, Verify Patient. If your results are ready, they will appear. Sometimes they don't appear because you're on this site and they don't have your results posted. But there are times when people get a message that says, unavailable to post positive, negative results on this website, or they get a message that says, results unavailable on this site. This is a little tricky. Go down to the bottom of that page. You will scroll down to the bottom and you will see a blue, it can be different. It depends if you're on a mobile phone or a desktop, but there's wording that says previous results. It can appear in a few locations, but it's normally at the bottom of this web page. Find that word and click on it, and it will verify your results if it's available. And also make sure you match the date that you had your COVID-19 to the results that are reflected when you press on that button. Now, another option is called the Nagger Health Navigator. This is really for somebody who's maybe a little more tech savvy. You can download a mobile app available through Niagara Health, and you would download this through the Google Play Store or your Apple App Store. The app will take care of finding and helping you through that. And the fourth option is MyChart. This is also somebody who is a little more tech savvy. The step-by-step instructions are listed on the website here for you. The key to MyChart is to sign up for it as soon as you know you're going for COVID-19 testing. The MyChart system provides you with a personalized PIN. The time it takes to get your personalized PIN can vary from person to person. So the sooner you get into the MyChart system and you fill out the online form and activate your account, your odds of getting your PIN hopefully will come quite soon. Some do have to wait for the PIN, some get it quite quickly, but the sooner you can sign up, the sooner you can get your PIN, and it won't delay the process. You will also need your Ontario Health Card for this option as well. Make sure it is the green and white card you're using with your picture on it, because this system will not accept the old health card that is red and white. Thank you for taking the time to learn how to find your COVID-19 test results. It is most important, if you have symptoms and you are awaiting your test results, continue to self-isolate.